Hey you guys, all right, so today I've got such a fun video, y'all. I got the itch to get some, I don't want to say last minute summer things, because in so many ways I feel like summer's just begun, but then of course, like, we're talking about the anniversary sale coming up, which leads into fall and all of this, and I don't know, I was just really wanting to grab a few things from Nordstrom. I got some of the best earrings, you guys. These are gonna be, there's those jewelry items, or there's those certain items that we talk about over the years on this channel where it's like it's just a staple. It's just a good, just must-have thing. These, y'all, okay, for real. This necklace as well. I've got some new clothes, but I also have a bag that I kind of wanted to reveal and give some info on. Not super in-depth, but kind of. So, that's not gonna warrant its own video. Neither would, I think, these few items of clothing, but we've just got to talk about it all together. I'm gonna do the clothing first, and then we'll share the bag. Y'all, I'm excited about it. I got so many things to share. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these clothes. I am all about this color. I don't know what it is. Like, usually I just get very, usually I just get very, neutral colors and things like that, but I am just a sucker for this color. This green, I'm all about this green. This is such a beautiful dress. Perfect. Perfect to buy right now, I think, and I'll explain why, because it's kind of versatile. It's not too summery. I like the length of it. It is kind of short, but then at the back, it's cut down, like, it goes down a little further in the back. Ties, it's just such a good fit. I love the sleeves. It's very comfortable. Looks super put together and cute, but very comfortable. This, okay, again, like I said, this time of year, we're in the midst of summer. It's gonna be hot here for a while, but, I don't want to spend so much on summer clothing, like in the middle or the end of summer. I want to start gearing up toward different seasons, or buy things that I think are versatile or that are just really good. And I think any time of year this dress would work, okay? It's short, but it's long sleeved. In the summertime, if you were gonna be going out to dinner at night, or like having a nice little time at night, okay, whatever, you could wear this, still feel, rather than just wearing like a super slinky dress, you're going indoors, it's at night. I like to wear long sleeves with a shorter dress. I think it's just comfortable. So this, and then, y'all, these shoes. Okay, so Bottega Veneta is that even how you say it? I don't know. My mom has a couple of bags that, it was like the first, I want to say, like, besides Louis Vuitton and Bottega Veneta, like, Bottega Veneta is like a brand that I remember knowing about when I was a kid, because my mom's always had a few vintage bags that I want to, I might like talk her into letting me like bust out sometime and be like, Mom, where are those bags? But she has a black one, this beautiful tan one that looks like a sack, and they're like, looks like a drawstring sack. The black one, or am I confusing? I don't know, I haven't seen them in so long. But this basket weave, for those reasons, that's a trendy, it's on trend right now. It's having a moment. I am not going to spend an arm and a leg on trendy square-toed shoes that are heels. Maybe if they were slides or something, but I don't wear heels every single day, especially not right now. I mean, I'm not going out all the time, okay? These feel like $1 million. They are made so nicely. They come in some different colors. There's another brand that makes them that are a little more slim, but I really liked these. I'll post a photo of this whole outfit on my Instagram, but I love these. I'm gonna try on some of this other stuff too, so check those out. All right, these earrings, y'all. They're a good size. They're not too small, so they don't look like little kid earrings. They're not too ginormous. They've got like an iridescent sort of like glass heart charm. Come in a lot of different colors, different actual stones. This is, like I said, an iridescent glass. I just thought it was really pretty. These are like everyday super cute earrings. And then I grabbed this necklace. This is a new necklace. It's sort of like a star, just a delicate charm. Super beautiful. Those are affordable. Okay, let's get through the clothes, because like I said, I do want to talk about this bag. All right, I grabbed a few different things. I grabbed this Pink Floyd t-shirt. I think this is super cute. I love graphic tees, t-shirts that have real things on them, like a real band or a real whatever, and I think this one was just really cute. This I love. I have a very similar top to this that I wore nonstop last year that was kind of like a mustardy color. I really like this black. I could imagine putting this on with like jeans or leggings or shorts, tying a denim jacket around my waist. I love a good like scoop neck, and that one was very, very cute. I'll try this on for you. Again, like I said, I'm having a moment with this color, okay? I'll try that on in a second because I have not tried that on yet. That one still has the tags on it. And this dress, so I've been loving just soft, just smocked top dresses. This smocking at the top is very loose. Some of them are very like constricting and tight. This would be such a cute bathing suit cover up. It would also be cute just to throw on and run errands. While I love wearing leggings, sweats, PJs, you know, like comfy things around the house, I have been really loving putting on easy dresses, even more comfortable, right, than a pair of sweatpants or leggings. You're not constricted, but you feel a little more put together. I will link this. This is such a good little dress. This print I really do like. I think it's really like fun and cute. This would be so good for like an event. And then this top, you guys, I wanted to try this on because, you know, you've seen a t-shirt is you know, whatever, okay, a t-shirt. But this is on the hanger, looks a little like, it's hard to tell. So cute. I like how it cinches. It sort of gives the vibe of like how I like to tie up t-shirts, but the material looks a little more special than just like a basic t-shirt. It's got little pockets that have like a little button detail. Throw it on with some leggings. It's just a very cool material. Okay, so I wanted to get through a few of those things and share with you guys this bag. So, okay, I bought this, I ordered it, I think the end of February, got it the first week of March, and obviously haven't really been anywhere, okay? Haven't really been able to carry a lot of these bags. I've got the really special video I feel coming up next. Kind of like to celebrate my birthday. I think that might be kind of fun, right? So, you know, this is a bag that I got thinking, you know, oh my gosh, for trips, whatever. And if you've been watching my videos lately, like in my, you know, ones that I posted where I'm in my closet, you may have seen this in the background. And I have gotten some questions about it, but it is a little more special than the basic one that you see like this. So, yeah, when I saw this, it's not in the bag, or not in the box. I just want to show you because the box is real cute. I really fell in love with this print. I love houndstooth. You see these Dior book totes, and this is the large Dior book tote. You see these always just in the basic, you know, Dior print. They come in, I think, like leather, all different kinds. But this is just the basic, you know, like textile material that they come in. I've seen people that get theirs, you know, monogrammed, whatever. I don't really care. I just thought it was beautiful. So I really love this color. I don't think that they're available in this color anymore, but the book tote is available in so many different ones that you might even like better. But I just thought this one was really special. Now, this is something that I got kind of to replace. Not to replace, because I think nothing can replace a never full Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, that thing has gone with me everywhere. It's my travel companion. I carry it with me on every trip, whether it's a flight, whether it's a road trip. I carry it, I put, you know, my makeup in it, I can put, you know, drinks, snacks in it, I can put my purse down inside of it. So when you're on a plane, you have your carry-on and you have your one giant bag. It's just so great. And you have your one giant bag that acts kind of like a purse, right? A Neverfull you can carry like a purse. I have seen people carry these as purses, although the strap drop on these are annoyingly small, I will say. I love this bag for the fact that it's gonna be a travel bag. It's gonna be something that, you know, is great just to bring with you. It's very basic on the inside, you know, I mean, there's not like, you know, pockets and compartments and all that, but it's really roomy. If you were going somewhere special, you could, you know, take it to the beach or take it to the pool. I'm not like throwing this thing around on the beach, but you know what I mean? Like if you were somewhere nice, if you were, it's just a certain type of vibe, you know? Carry it with you just like as a basic like shopper bag, whatever, if you just needed an extra like big tote. It's a nice bag, but it's not something that you'd buy like a Neverfull that's gonna be like an everyday purse that you could also use as an everyday purse, right? Here is what it looks like on the shoulder. It's just, the strap drops too, that's not comfortable for me, okay? I'm not gonna be carrying this around town all the time. But if you did, but you could, you know what I mean? But it's not just gonna be like, I'm just being honest with you about what these are. Okay, they come in different sizes. There's smaller ones. I think carrying like a little one, you know, as a bag would be cute. But this one might be a little awkward if you're carrying it, you know, as an everyday bag. And I feel like I have kind of a larger frame, you know, and so larger bags do work with me. So yeah, sure, you know, carry this around. Still looks large, but I'm just being honest with you. It's not something like... It's something like if you were wanting one of those travel bags, I would still recommend the Neverfull, okay? That's always the first one. But like, because you can do so many different things with it. You can, like I said, it's more comfortable as a handbag, as an everyday like tote bag. This would not be that for me. This is something I think like if you wanted something special, if you really love this bag, if you wanted just something a little different, I'd say grab this. The Fendi one that I had, I ended up selling. I liked it, but I carried it on a couple trips and I just was like, I still like my Neverfull more. But I just like the vibe of this one. This one is so much, like it feels very thick and substantial, but it's a lot lighter than that one. I don't know, I just love it. I just always loved the vibe of these. I've loved the way that they looked. And I was really happy to get my hands on this one. But yeah, it's like I said, so many different types, so many different styles. I'll link to them and all the different sizes. But something about it is just really special to me. I love the way that it looks, like even just seeing it like in the monitor, like when I'm holding it, I just love this bag. And I know I might have sounded like, okay, you know, here's some negatives about it, but I'm just being honest. I'm not gonna come on here and be like, this is the best thing ever. I wanna always give you drawbacks and, you know, positives and negatives to every bag, especially like more expensive ones. But I just love it. I just think it's so pretty. You never see the houndstooth ones, so I was really excited to get this one. You know, you see the other prints all the time, and I really do like that, just, you know, regular Dior print. I have the slides that look like that, but something's just special about this one. I don't know, I just really, really love it. It's black. I don't know if it looks, you can tell. Yeah, it's like black and tan. You can tell. And you know, these, again, like I said, this is not like an in-depth review because I haven't friggin' carried it anywhere. Haven't been, I think had all of this not have happened, we would have probably been on, we canceled a trip. I had a girls trip that was like right at the beginning of March. I was excited to carry this, canceled that, like coronavirus, all that obviously. And then my birthday, you know, we always take a trip. I think we would have at least gone a couple other places. So I had plans for this, okay? And I still do. We're gonna get there. Gosh, plus it's like flying everywhere. But yeah, I love it. I think it's such a cool bag. And for those of you guys that have seen it in the background, just wanted me to show it to you guys or say a few words about it. Yeah, it's just, I really like, the packaging is so pretty too. It's really nice packaging. And the way they yeah, 3/8. So beginning of March, it was right at that beginning, but I got this. So I was so excited to carry it, and then that's kind of what happened with the Hermes bag too. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of talk about this, give you guys some real info about it. I just don't put it in the same category as the Neverfull. Neverfull's they're less expensive than this. The GM, the largest one, is less expensive than this, so it's an expensive bag for what it is. So don't get it thinking, wow, this is gonna be like such an everyday tote, because it's not. Maybe that's like the best thing. That's just the point I'm trying to make, okay? Because I have seen people that try to carry it like this and it's just, once you get stuff in it, this just looks, to me, it's cute, but it's not like this is the bag I'm carrying everywhere. But if I was on vacation, sure, like I would go shopping, I'd go wherever I needed to go and carry this as a bag, that's fine. But just like everyday, it's just not what it is to me. Every day, and again, I wanna get into some handbag videos. Like I said, I've got a big one coming up. I've loved talking about this. I still wanna do like the Chanel collection video and talk more about that, like I did with my Louis Vuitton bags months back. But honestly, like, I'm going very few places, and this is just the bag that I don't think I'm still so great to carry in the car for kids, and it's just a great bag anyways. It doesn't look like a diaper bag, and I'm happy that I bought one that I can keep forever, and it doesn't look like it has, like, you know, rainbows or flowers or the Care Bears on it, and that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I'm just saying, whatever. But this is kind of like the version of that. I feel, I call it my Disney mom bag. It fits so much stuff, but it's still like the silhouette of like a cute little bag. And I was gonna talk about this in my favorites video, and I forgot to mention it, but it's just easy. I carry it with me. It's just easy to carry. I just think these Prada bags are made so nice. Like they, you know, for the price and stuff, it's a nylon bag. It's wipeable. The leather trim on it is like really nice, that thick, like, is it Saffiano leather? Is that what it's called? The straps are very, very comfortable. This is just one of those like best friend bags that it's just yummy. I love it. And this has been my favorite. You know, I like, you can put things in the front, like phones or whatever, and it's not fussy. Like, sometimes I don't even snap it, like, and it kind of finds itself to snap because it's, you know, it kind of finds itself to snap because it's magnetic, but a lot of times it doesn't, and it's just, I mean, it's whatever. But it's very roomy. I don't know if I've ever done a what's in my bag with this, like my everyday bag. Maybe we'll do one of those coming up. But oh my gosh, so many things to share with you guys coming up. But anyways, check this out. I love this top. I don't know if like this is doing its justice, but it's just so cute. I don't know if you can, like, the material looks nicer. I don't know, it's just very cute. I'm gonna let you go. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out some of those things. I'll put the sizes that I am and a lot of those things. I just wanted to try on some new things, share with you guys some new fun little stuff that I've picked up. And yeah, I did want to talk about this. And you know, maybe I could have, I don't know how long, I never really know how long videos are. Like, I lose concept of time, like when I'm filming. But I just didn't think this would, I don't know, I didn't think I could make a whole video about this. But anyways, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.